You're asked about relative maximums, and you're given a derivative, but not the graph of it. So this takes us back to pre-calculus, where we know that we have zeros at 0, 1, and -3. And each zero behaves like the factor. That's a cubic function. A cubic function crosses. A fourth degree bounces, and a quadratic bounces. So I know what's happening at each of my zeros. I'm crossing, bouncing, bouncing. The only other thing is my overall behavior. And when I think about x cubed times an x to the fourth term times an x squared term with a positive 1 leading coefficient, I realize that my derivative generally is x to the 3 and 4 is 7 and 2 more is 9, which is going to go low to high. So I'll have this kind of general behavior. I'm crossing at 0, I'm bouncing at 1, and I'm bouncing here at -3. And then I'll draw what I have, bounce, cross, bounce, and this was the first derivative, f prime of x. I want a maximum where my derivative changes from positive to 0 to negative to make that max, and I never have that. I would have a min at 0 and 2 points of inflection, plateau points. So the answer is 0.